What's up, everybody? It's me. I'm back, Jayana. I know it has been a while since I've posted on YouTube. At least I have been constantly posting like on TikTok and Instagram and all that, but just noticing from a content point, I know that YouTube is possibly the place to go. But just to be honest, I've just been lazy. Very, very lazy, taking advantage of those short clips and then recording on those apps, which I could have been doing the same thing on, YouTube Shorts, but it's nothing like a good old makeup tutorial, with a good old voiceover, good old detailing on what you're doing, and, showing people showing people the skills that you have, and then teaching others how to accomplish that for them as well. That's something I can say have been passionate about. As much as I enjoy doing makeup, it was always talking about it or showing others how I accomplished it. That's what drove me. That's what is it? Not grind my gears. I guess you can use that phrase for this one because it's making me happy, But it's been pure laziness. There's no other excuse for it of why I haven't been on YouTube. There's no excuse. Honestly, there's no excuse. And I'm just learning more and more about that, especially as I get older. I'm 25 years old now. I'll be 26 this year in November. A lot of different things are are happening in my life now and are still going to happen, especially as I get older. So, excuses? Yeah, that word shouldn't even exist anymore. But I can be as real as I can and just say I've been lazy. And that is why I have not came to YouTube. But I'm back. And I am going to post a whole lot more. I hate when I say I'm going to try. Because I say that and then I don't do it. You're going to hear me say this again at the end of the video. Believe my actions, not my words. I think that should be the motto for the rest of this year, for the rest of time. Believe my actions, not my words. Okay? So yeah, but let me tell y'all a little bit about everything that's been going on in my life since I have not uploaded the video yet. Well, first off, I got engaged. Clap, clap, clap. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I got engaged to my longtime boyfriend. We've been together. It'll be 7 years in April. So we've been together almost 7 years. I've been with him since I was a senior in high school. Since we were seniors in high school. We literally started dating a month before we graduated high school. We've been through a lot with each other. When I say we have grown up with each other, we have grown up with each other. But I tell y'all, man, no one else for me. There's absolutely no one else out there for me. The way that man holds me accountable, the way that he just has helped me progress, the way his mindset is, it's like, man, I'm so blessed, and I thank God every day that you are in my life, and I can't wait to be your wife. I got bars. But I can't wait to be his wife. I can't wait for it, man. We have not planned the wedding. I'm just gonna say that. No wedding plans have been discussed. We started talking about it the other night, which, by the way, we lived together. Yeah, girl. I moved out of my parents' house, and then we moved in with each other, and then we got engaged. So, to all y'all old Christian folk out there, we did not do it the modern way. So, yeah, that's that. Anywho, so far what we've done for the wedding plans is trying to get a guest list together. I'm going to say this. I can barely remember any of my family members. So I had my mama helping me. And thank God that I had the mama that's like, we don't talk to them, so they're not coming. They say they want to come. Nope. They don't even know how to spell your name. That's how she is. So thank God I got a mama like that who's like, all these people are not coming. And, I'm okay with that. I think at your wedding, you definitely need the people that have supported you the most through your relationship. Not just because you know me or because we supposedly family. Have you supported this relationship? Do you want to be a part of this bond? Because this is two families coming together. The two people becoming one and creating their own family. But also our families coming together as well. So, yeah. I don't expect a big wedding. I think the longest list I'm going to have is probably just friends that I've made along the way in my life. But other than that, I don't expect it to be a bunch of people. The next step is looking for a venue, which, honey, that's like so confusing. But we'll get there. We'll get there by the help of YouTube University and any other internet research bar thing resource. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're engaged. I'm in school. Yes, I went back to school. Aesthetics. I will be graduating. I'll be graduating May 9th, but I'll actually be finishing the program around June or July, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my state test to become officially licensed. You know, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to step into this world of aesthetics. You know, people always ask, so what are you going to do with it? I don't know, because I'm interested in literally everything. So I have not made a decision yet. But what I do know is I don't mind going to work for someone else to gain more experience, because in aesthetic school, you're not going to learn everything, which is why they always recommend that you take courses outside of school. So if you are going to want to go to school to become an esthetician, do not go there expecting basically that you're going to learn everything, because you're not, which is why there's so many courses outside of school to learn. So yeah, it's been an exciting experience. I've met some amazing women. We've grown some great bonds. When I tell you I truly enjoy going to class every single day, I truly enjoy going to class every single day. I have a great instructor who gonna keep it real with you, who's also gonna help you, who's also gonna be like, call me day or night. You know, you need someone like that. You need support, especially in an industry like this that is so dang competitive. So I'm grateful to God literally every single day. Now, where there are times that it was overwhelming, there are times still now where I have a fear of the unknown. If anyone asks me, what am I afraid of? It's the unknown. But literally what I'm learning from fear is that I'm creating that. When I literally can turn that fear into, well, I can do this. I am going to open up something one day. You know? So, trying to wipe away the fear. Step into the unknown. Trying to step into the risk. Step into just something new or something I am not comfortable with. It's okay to be uncomfortable, because I think being uncomfortable is what truly makes you grow and progress into the person that God already knows. God already knows who you are. You know, my fiance printed out this quote and put it on the wall. God put that dream in your heart for a reason. And I just can't get that out of me. You know, these skills that I have with makeup, it's in me for a reason. You know, I'm posting these videos for a reason. This is, my fiance reminded me, like, that's a gift. You know, those are skills. A lot of people don't have those skills. And I was like, you know what? He's so right. So that's why I have to take advantage of posting on YouTube. I have to take advantage of using the internet to get myself out there. And not going in with the mindset of, oh, we got to make money out of it. The money will come. I'll find another way to make some money. But that's not what it is. You know? That's not what it is for me. And that's absolutely okay and fine for me, because it's enjoyable. Look at me dancing, because I'm about to put on that new liquid blush from e.l.f. e.l.f. has been killing it. Make sure y'all are following me on TikTok and Instagram, because I've done some reviews and all that. I just haven't done it on YouTube. I probably need to go ahead and do that. It don't matter that I'm late. It don't matter. Because who said makeup had time? Who said that had time? Nobody. So yeah. But other than that, I've been great. I've been good. I've just been lazy. But I've been good. I hope y'all have been good. All that blending make you girl tired. But it be worth it, because the face comes out looking like skin, babe. Next tutorial, I'll definitely go into more details about the look that I'll be doing. But I just want to give y'all a quick little update, little chit chat. You know, running my mouth. And just letting y'all know what's been going on so far in my life. Regarding aesthetics, like I said, I don't mind working a job, because I would like to require more experience working in someone else's shop. And then down the line, you know, I think I want to open up my own place, but truly my dream is to have a whole property so that other estheticians can rent from me, or a whole suite, a whole little spot, little building, so that I can open up a spa. You know, in the area that I'm in, it's certain things that I know for a fact are not offered amongst the estheticians here. So I would like to be the unicorn. You know, I would want to be the unicorn of what's being offered in my area and whatnot. Still gonna do makeup. I'm still considering accepting clients again, but I just want to wait till I get my license, and I want to offer some courses as well. We'll see though. We'll see. But I didn't want to do any clientele while I didn't have my license. I technically don't need my license to be a makeup artist, but I would feel more secure in that, in knowing a whole lot more so that I can educate others. The other thing too is I'm interested in educating. If I can become an instructor for aesthetics, I'm definitely gonna do it. I'm definitely gonna try to get my license for it, because, baby, teaching people, it just brings a different kind of joy inside of me. You know, to show off the things that I know to help other people. Helping, keyword. That's the joy that it brings me, because I'm aiding and helping others. So yeah, girl. Things have been really, really good. Like I said, I'm almost done with school. It's been some different things and changes, especially with, my relationship. My fiance is starting up his own cleaning service business, like automatic cleaning service business, and looking really forward to that. It's time for growth and progression. That's what it's all coming down to. It's just straight up growth and us growing with each other as each other's family. And yeah, so yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. That's what's been going on in your girl's life. I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Well, I just yapped my dang mouth the whole entire time, and I'm just gonna talk until I finish up the lips. Yeah, girl, you better line them lips with that NYX gloss. That's some good gloss, y'all. It's not too sticky, and the color is beautiful. That's Ari Winkle, by the way, too. We love her. Put that ColourPop highlighter on. Look at it. And then we're gonna spritz the face one last time. Pat it in so that it can set onto the skin. I didn't realize how long it took me to make this video, and I recorded with the back camera for the first time. So yeah, girl. I don't want to say it's given. I feel like TikTok words are just overbearing now. But anyway, it's really pretty. I love how it came out. Sometimes when I've been doing makeup. Let me correct myself. I have been doing makeup. I just haven't been posted on YouTube. But I already explained all that anyway. But this is the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. We are definitely going to try. You know what? No. I say that every time, okay? I'm sick of saying that. We are going to post more on YouTube. It's as simple as that. We're going to do it, and we're going to mean it. But don't believe my word, believe my action, okay? But this is the final look. I love how it came out. It was really pretty and glowy. My type of look, okay? If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you're following me on all my other platforms, my TikTok and my Instagram. And I will see y'all in my next tutorial. Thank y'all so much for watching. Mwah.